So the first thing you want to do is you want to take your officially purchased copy of the PS4 version, either the physical or digital version, and get it downloaded and installed to the latest version on your PS5. Now, if you're coming from the free version that came with the PlayStation Plus collection, that's not going to work here for the upgrade. You need an officially purchased PS4 version to get the PS5 upgrade. Now, once that's installed, go into the game page, click on the three dots, go to view product. That'll take you to the Final Fantasy VII Remake main page, and then hit the three dots again, and you'll see there in the corner where it says download PS5 version for PS4 owners. That's the version you want to grab. It's about 80 gigs. Go ahead and begin to download with that. Now, while that's downloading, and yes, you're going to end up with sort of a PS4 and PS5 version of the game, and you'll see why in just a moment, you'll also want to make sure that you have your game saves from your PS4 on your PS5. So if you're using PlayStation Plus, you know the autosync works with that. Go ahead and go into your saved game data and apps and go into the cloud and download that if it isn't downloaded already. There's also ways to use USB to transfer it over as well, and I have another transfer method I used before, which I'll show you here at the end of the video. Now, once that PS5 version is downloaded, you actually need to load up the PS4 version here first. So you want to make sure you go back to the game page, hit those three dots, load up the PS4 version of the game. Now within there, you go into the menu. Now you're going to see an option that says upload data. You're going to be able to upload your game save data. Now it's going to tell you can only upload one game file at a time, but you can upload as many as you want to. So go ahead and upload the game file that you want to upload and get that uploaded. From here, switch over, open up the PS5 version of the game, and from here, you can go into download your data, and this allows you to download your game save file right on to the new version of the game. Go ahead and open it up, and you'll see right here, you'll be loaded up, add the chapter, add the game file, everything that you want pretty much right there for you for the PS5 version of Final Fantasy VII Remake. And that's basically the way to do it here. I know, a little convoluted, but hopefully this made it a little bit easier for you. But if you just got your PS5, miraculously if you did, and you really were looking forward to this game and waiting for it, check out how we transfer the data from PS4 to PS5 here. This will sort of help make this process a little bit faster, a little bit simpler for you in getting this upgrade going. Thanks for watching.